First, go to bgceastal.org and click on Caregiver portal at the top right hand corner. From there, you'll click on the green button that says create a new account. Once you're on the create a new account page, you'll put in all of your pertinent information, your name, telephone number, address. You'll also have to prove that you're not a bot and that you're an actual human. So you'll need to complete the skills test. Once you complete the skills test correctly, go over, check your email, click on the link, and come back to change your password. So everything is password protected and will require you to follow the steps to make sure that you have a password. So once your password is changed, it will immediately take you to the home screen of the Caregivers portal. Now, let's talk about how to add a new contact to your Caregiver account. So first, you'll click on Add New Contact. You'll put in all of your child's information, their birthday, their name, whether or not they receive free or reduced school lunch. You will also have to put in your relationship to this household member. Once you have all of that information on this form, then you will click Save, and this will add a new contact to your account. How to register for camps. Now that you have a membership, you've added your student to your account, you can go back to bgceastal.org, click on the Parent Giver portal, log into your account with the credentials that you just created. Once you're in there, you're going to scroll down to the bottom. You're going to click on Browse Programs. Under this tab, you'll be able to see all of the programs that are available by category for your club member. You select the camp that best fits what you're looking for. Then you'll scroll down, you'll find your student's age group. You'll select the student from the options. Once you have selected your house member or student, then you'll be able to add it to the cart and click Next. After you've done that, it'll show you how much whatever you have enrolled in costs. From there, you'll click Next in the bottom right hand corner. It will take you to another payment processing screen where again, you'll have the same option to make a payment, put in all of your credit card credentials, or you can choose to pay at the club. If you pay at the club, there's an option to print off your receipt, and you very well can do that and bring it to the clubhouse with you. Now your students are all registered for camp.